Good morning, everyone. We're out on our daily morning walk, and it's a peaceful start to the day. And we love sharing this moment with you. And you see, the mist is thick today and fade out the path away. On this peaceful morning, Cynthia kneels down to collect small white flowers. Locally called this flower name is tulip. As you can see here, he is collecting some teeny tulip flower. Each flower seems like a little gift from nature, dotting the walkway with beauty. Her smile radiates a quiet joy as she gathers them one by one, appreciating the smile moment that makes life so precious. We are on our morning walk. That's my daughter Cynthia enjoying the beauty of the countryside. Wow, it's really beautiful.
Very
As you can
nice.
see here, my daughter Cynthia is playing with the touch-sensitive leaves. It's called Bengali, locally called Lojjapati flower and leaves, and in English, is actually is a mimosa plant. And my daughter Cynthia walks along the path. And you see, nearby a tribal people carry bamboo pole on their shoulders and heading to the local market to sell their goods. Oh,